What's up, guys? My name's Sebastian. I hope you guys are having a great day and continue having one. This is my dog Bandit. My wife's in the 4Runner, and that is my 4Runner. Hope you guys are having a great day and continue having one. Today, I am going to make some J-Dogs out of the 4Runner in southern Utah. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Thanks to another YouTuber, his name is Jens. He was able to give us a coordinates and kind of give us a good idea on where to go. And I'm happy with what we found. Alrighty, so today I am making J-Dogs out of the 4Runner, and actually it's a little bit of a cheat. So I was going to make some fancy hot dogs, but if you go to J-Dogs and you buy their DIY kit, and little photos right there, it's 30 bucks. It comes with 6 hot dogs, all this stuff. So you got onions, got your yellow peppers, jalapenos, and sauerkraut, as well as some pickles. And I don't know, I also brought some sauce for it as well, so I can have the true experience, right? I brought an onion and sauerkraut and everything, but turns out I'm not really gonna need it. It gave us absolutely everything. So I'm gonna pull out my camp stove and we're gonna get this started. Alright, kind of the plan here is, since I don't have to dice any onions, everything's already done. I did bring a spare pan. I'm gonna use that burner to start grilling these things up because I want the onions and the peppers grilled for sure. I might even throw the jalapenos on there, I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna start toasting the buns first. I feel like the hot dogs are probably gonna cook fast. So I think the bun toasting will be the first act of business. I am gonna cook all 6 dogs so that Bandit can have 2 of them, and then my wife and I will each have 2. So the dogs are already pre-cut. So kind of my plan is I am gonna grill them up on here. And then, since they take sauce, I have a pan back there that I'm going to grab, and I'm going to kind of soak them in the sauce in the pan. The veggies are already coming out pretty good. Onions are starting to get nice and brown and crispy. So, on a good start. The peppers and the onions, I'm thinking, are done. So I'm going to set these to the side and I'm going to start warming up the sauce. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to get all the sauce in beneath the crevices just like they do. To see how it turns out. Because I don't want too much sauce. I still want there to be dog, but I feel like their main mission is to get them inside these crevices, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Alright, I'm pretty basic, but my wife does like all the goodies. The onions, the jalapenos, the bell peppers, and all that. So I'm loading hers up first. I'm probably just going to do some of the banana peppers, and that's probably good for me. But I'll make hers look fancy for you guys. Alrighty, Bandit gets his lunch first. Tell me what you think about it. Thinking? He's thinking. He'll come back to it. Mission complete. We got some J-Dogs hot dogs, sauerkraut, jalapenos. We got banana peppers, onions, all grilled up. Alright, try my first dog. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, I'd definitely do this again. If the bun wasn't falling apart, this would be 3 times better, but the crispiness of the bun is what made it the difference. So super good. Alright, so I think that is gonna be the end of the video. This is my 4th gen 4Runner. My name is Sebastian Stratman and this is my dog Bandit. I hope you guys did like the video. If you did, please comment and let me know, or tell me what next to make. I'm more than happy to make whatever. I'm in southern Utah right now, so there is an abundance amount of places to overland and off-road, but in northern Utah, it's a little bit harder to find. I found a few places, so we'll still be making videos, but I need to know what to cook, so let me know. Hope you guys have a great day and we'll continue having one. Peace.